Sainik School allocation on nilum dambom mahut police tung nang le dead pen police agari humpli potrok do o ahut ata hal bang so hut koila atrak bang humni koila atrak bang ihum bang lup plot lo amase ihum bang ni litum khangon check lo police tum tame nang litum inside doning lang doning illegal ma mate chalan do ma lang dun thapo police pan pulo police tum bang ari chirung det ni litum ke lage claim kle papon nang lake nitum lage forest atum si bang claim ni masi truck ta lang tum ke lonoi pusi pu masi ni litum pulo pasang tha lage itum inside pa me nang lang pa me nang lang kal forest adak arrange do ala range long le la so truck pon de noi pusin tum pulo staminon ala dak lang buku si do lang la so truck masi forest atum tame non dam chuai hedet pusin tum Abirta lo la pen la bang so truck a number ka du weta ni tum long do ed lo la pen a truck full loaded koila la ke full truck lo adak loaded truck lo la bang so truck konat pensi konat ma la ke inside pa meaning kusi nil tum media troop and menal dan pachini pon lo la pen aron re illegal plonte la ke nep nangi kusi la pen ing toneng kusi nil tum pini benda pachini pon lo
tangde sa nang tum kachini teng de kar benglong la hai mining hormu ke choklim mane ka council revenue royalty la son ke choklim ma se la hai hormu la son choklim penang tum mat hama
six schedule etum pu bom lo kale tum sar tame pu pon bom ditilo six schedule long minerals la pen ka preka tum hormu do o sitame ilitum aron bang na anta chisemar mede la si aron ka chisemar mede da jok dak bang ke kaita illegal la son si la hai ke pon bom lo asi six schedule aron ateng penel tum lahai mineral extraction phan ben chenglok kadu ko we rules jong se semar lo lo dang te definitely council long si revenue ke dopo la ke tum si long ko sita non ke alang le tum claim kle dead lo aron re chalan kawe pensi phur bom lo roi chong hu bom ason si tum thek long la sarpo terona rong langbu ko long haladak Sainik School project nang le lo halabang so project aphan non kam cheng bang bom tang lo art development and cheng lo forest clearance kaduk we cheng bom tang lo sida me hadak ke do ra tu rong in koisus doning koisus se longle affected atu longle kan hok dun atu alang litum chini pame melang ko pc ta so school ke bang pen alang litum kisung ji ma ke joy ke ji ma halabang so lam ke chini ne pin lang lasi lahai hoi alam nilitum kame than bom lo sita rat atum tame ka chini ne dum se ke ong lang la penang parke la kaprega state pen tame texer atum professor atum scholars atum tame karbiang long phan nang kachini atum kachini gang tung atum do dak tum resources ko son si dak preserve jema illegal ko pine doma we ma lahai tame dak lahai hui tame news long klang o la pen in karbiang long non ke news long do kok lo india map long ta la se lahai hui alam kachini bala dum ta chining tung si la ke wang lo pini tapi labang so ke wang put rong sortum nang cetong dun rong sortum nang phan arjulo kopilo nang letum ka chini ke pumasila tum jata nang phan phekte upisi Sainik School long pen kopisi ale doji ma polam la tum chini ne la pendak admission procedure ko son lo da chini ne ladaka recruitment procedure ko son lo puta la hai tum rong sortum chini ne nasil hai hu alam ala ka chini atum Sainik School ka charlie atum tamedo halai tum tame theni ke thani phan selang letum phan wang lo sita me pini dak tong sokot pen police force nang toy dak dilai la pen dak manja police force nang toy pen halabang so peaceful democratic pini ka chingwai ka chingsai ji ka che thanji alam mang ke pini ka than nong le det lan da galilang nilitum phan non mat pini pen nang tum han dak yong sike wang lo bonte nang han case pen nang arrest ji basil tum han dak manja SI lo la pen ha dilai tum bahani ta me tum han nang ba pheril ason si asonak taksi rong sor phan tame amen nang tok lo ther hab lo je labang so a project la ke government a project la ke nang tum jat noi long le che pek du nang pol ason si ther hab la son si claim la sinoni tum pung tung bang la hen lo hong pen ke wang tum phan alang tum professor tum research scholars tum phan non mar alang tum phan detain pen pajok serak ning pajok ngoi la jong si pajok je lo tang te la ke kar biang long sor rat ke la ke thu pagi pu bang ke la ang tek lang lang
sata man ko mani pan kai rest mane case FIR la so restart la so dela to ibanes
nili tum phan nang ke res kali bode dak khanan da nang wan ja kam ta we ke di hok pet ke police tum mangai tum hanang ke res lo kita me rat atum nang chini dun de jok non ke nang ke res kali ku salang tum cepak lang lo la pe non hong ben ke wang atum phan bang ke alang tum arju bom la ipini investigate bom lang la tum phan tame la si alang litum ta alang tumhan ditin pusela tum pulo tumhan tamen nang lo seraking kusin tum
soalnya hola hong pane ba kopia department kopia tum lo sa hola
alang li tum ke la environment na hin ka charli ke thek tum la pen inut bang ke la ke IMM Indian Institute of Management lo la multi purpose project long pini ne apu thak hai lo ke than bang alang ke asil hai ke chini pan ke rong wang wek nai kali madi asil hai aphan se alang li tum ke wang lo chini phan se ke wang la
is that our people, we are political party persons and then social workers. We are concerned with environment and protection of our land and our people in 6th schedule area in Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and in the Mahasau. We have been hearing that some companies have come in Langwoku area and they are trying to set up some mining operation there. They would destroy the earth, the soil of the cultivation areas of the people. They will not be able to stay, they will be evicted. All the tribal people will be evicted from there. So our people have only gone to see. We have not entered the area also, but they have been talking to the people only. The rest, the detail, will be spoken by Bikram Hanse and Mr. Dole, Pranab Dole, because they are the people who have faced the real thing.
yes
You can ask them.
Thank you, sir.
But we demand that there should be no arrest. This is only harassment. The police is only harassing us.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, as everyone in Assam knows that we are concerned citizens and we work for the rights of people to protect our nature, to protect the land of our people. A team of esteemed researchers and environmental workers from different parts of the country today visited Karbi Anglong to understand how the 6th schedule in Karbi Anglong is functioning and also to see what is the state of the forest and the nature and the land here. In order to give them an exposure, we took them to one of the villages where a scenic school is coming up. So we went there, we had a conversation, the villagers came to meet us, we had a conversation and we were just democratically talking in front of the church there, sitting there and democratically having a discussion, introducing each other. And suddenly the police from Manja police station and Delai police station, they come there with a lot of armed guards and they come and disturb our peaceful discussion. And we never expected that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which we take a pride in as a symbolic and a great 6th schedule, will behave like that with our guest. So we demand that immediately the researchers and our friends who have come here to Karbi Anglong to spread the good message or the reality of people here, what is happening in human right as a citizen of India, and also the ethos of Karbi people. The Karbi people are generous and kind people. They don't behave like this with their guests. So the demand is that immediately the researchers and environmental workers who have been detained by the police should be released. We are all here waiting outside the Manja police station, and if the police do not release them, there will be a huge public democratic resistance against this.
रिजर्ट से हूँ और हमारे साथी लोग हैं, प्रणव भाई, विक्रम भाई हैं और पर्यावरण संरक्षण को लेकर हम लोग काम करते हैं छत्तीसगढ़ में। यहाँ पर आए थे हम बेसिकली थोड़ा सा समझने के लिए पर्यावरण की क्या स्थिति है, जो 6वीं अनुसूची है, 6 शेड्यूल है, 6 शेड्यूल का जो गवर्नेंस मॉडल है, जो कि एक आइडियल गवर्नेंस मॉडल है, उस मॉडल को समझने के लिए तो हम लोग यहाँ पर आए थे। तो कुछ जो भी मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ और फिर लोकल थाने से पुलिस वाले आए तो फिर हम लोग यहाँ थे, प्रणव भाई आए।
Sir, how many people that you come from there?
सॉरी
How many people you are coming from there?
कितने लोग?
कि हम लोग 3 लोग हैं, हमारे 2 साहब मित्र लोग हैं, दिल्ली से हैं और मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ।
Sir, there's any cases of reincarnation?
Is there any case?